Howdy, my people. Fall may not be the first season that comes to mind when you think about planting a new landscape, but in this episode of Green Tea Time, I'm going to talk to you about why fall is actually a top contender for planting your new landscape. How's my hair? My hair? Are we rolling? Are we going? We going. We rolling. Number one, cooler temps make it less stressful on the gardener and on the plant. Planting in the heat is extremely stressful on the plant, and planting getting sweaty is not the best look for the gardener. So, take and embrace the fall temperatures. The soil is cooler, it's easy to move around, water absorbs better around your plants. Definitely a reason to plant in the fall. Number two, less watering means less maintenance. Pour out that water, Carol. That means more time for martinis. But for real, when you're planting in the fall, for your perennials, all you really need to do is give them a good soak in their pots a few hours before you put them in the ground. When it comes to trees and shrubs, be sure to give them water once they get planted to help tighten the soil around their roots. And then, of course, on a warm winter day above 32 degrees, be sure to give them a drink as well. Number three, did somebody say discount? Keep the change, Charles. As winter nears, many plant nurseries are trying to get rid of their inventory. Therefore, you might be able to find some really good deals on some plants. Now, they may offer them at a discounted rate or possibly a bigger plant at a smaller size price, just depending on your local nursery. It depends on the deal. Now, another good thing is you can actually buy the plant in October, November, but you can most likely plant all the way into December depending on your zone. Personally, in zone 5, I planted all the way into early December, so I know it is possible. As long as the ground is not frozen, you can plant. Okay, so skip the sweaty planting labor, save water, drink more martinis, and save $1 by getting planted at a discounted rate. Those are just a few reasons to plant your landscape in the fall. So, it's currently fall. Go on, go out and get your shop on so you can get your landscape in now and enjoy it once spring hits. I'm Tyler Banken. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time on Green Tea Time.